Alright, this is recording, okay?
Don't put it in there now.
Why? Put it total with them bag and pan. Welcome back to my main channel. What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm here with another haul. It's gonna be another rating haul. I have with me today
our sister and our mother.
Divinity Dimples and Cooking with Lucia. What is this, sir? Basically, I got some pieces today from Misguided. So I'm basically just gonna try them on, and hopefully they don't roast me like how they always do.
No, it's one. Don't say we talk the truth. The truth.
Speak it ever, cause
And
they
the truth
want
is
it
one.
will. Amen.
Yeah, so without
Hallelujah.
further rambling, let's just jump into the video.
Stop smelling.
Taste it.
No.
It's nice.
Bad.
It's very subtle too. Not full of too much acid.
I hope to remember this name when I go to the restaurant and what takes me out. This tastes good.
Cheers.
Yeah. Remember saying if you wait on the one day and it's gonna just come
Me
and
is
go
a
so.
girl when I fight over man. Probably a little bit
I
of
just
summertime.
Alright, so ready for the first feed?
Okay,
Yeah, okay.
Wait, let me take out my glass.
Okay.
I like this.
Yeah.
I really like this.
You know, it's
that
very big.
oversized?
Yeah, very
I said
oversized.
must wear.
This
Yeah.
look rich.
Yeah.
This
I love
look rich
it.
auntie vibes.
10.
Love it. Love it.
Your mom won't buy the PS5. It's okay, I'll buy it. Man, you
No.
look so tired.
It look nice with
It
you.
look nice.
And cool. Come here, let me feel the material.
I feel like you wear this when you go on a nice little trip there.
Yeah.
You wear this as an airport fit.
Maybe
Yeah.
1.9 still. Come I feel like it top it just
Too
like-
big.
It's really big. It's really
Yeah.
big. Now I'm wish it never as big.
No,
too.
she
Me
says it's
too.
oversized on me.
Yeah, but
It's oversized,
still
it's
kind of
true.
too big. for
But you know
someone.
them days where you just feel like you want to wear one sheet.
Yeah.
But you want good, you know, in case I buck up somebody.
I even like
I
it.
love it.
Give it a 9.
I give it a 10. And the Playboy. That,
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
collab with Playboy. This one is a
Yeah,
collab.
man, that's why you see me have to 10 it
Yeah.
up. 10.
Yeah.
Nice and
Yeah, like-
Playboy.
Come, I can sip wine. Come, cheers.
Yeah, so this is it, guys. I love the material. It's really soft. Feel it. You can definitely feel the quality.
You gotta get at in this.
You have to you have to there's somewhere with chili for wear this. You can't wear this constantly in Jamaica with only if you're up in them hills. I feel like they did a good job with the material. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I feel like I'm getting my money's worth. I had to buy this separately. Them don't come as one
What?
set.
Wow.
Why? You
Yeah.
should have told me that information
Not
the
cheap.
first and let me give it the 9. I'm not fair.
Yeah, that's the only thing. I feel like they
That's
should
so
sell them
fair.
together because, like, you know.
Subtract 1 from the 10 is 9.
I mean, me not, like, sometimes I don't like to wear sets like together.
I know, but give it
But
to you.
like,
yes,
yeah.
a lot of times for true.
Yeah, sometimes I want to mix it up, but my God, send me the 21
yeah,
time.
make sure.
When we go shopping, we not look on the price. When we get in that one.
Overbook right now, never hardly advice. No overbook right, no one will hardly advise. Come on, family, you got me nice. Hey, I wanna wear some girls to be wrong here. Hey, so never argue alone with them a share. Hey,
Oh, this is cute.
Nice.
I wouldn't wear them together though.
It's so cute. I love it.
Them nice. Nice
So
bag.
nice. I actually love this one a little bit more than the first one too, you know. I don't know if I
The
wear them
fit.
cinches and then it just poof off. I don't know. How much you rate it? How much you rate it?
Make it a 9 again.
I think it's a 9 too.
Why?
Something
The right
about
out
it
there,
now
so-
scream 10.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right
the
out there,
crutches
so yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I get what you mean.
Mm-hmm.
I get what you mean.
Yeah, the crutches.
Mm-hmm. I don't like wear my, I don't carry it back in, I like it and the catches look a certain way.
I true, I
But
get what you mean, Miss
nice.
Steve. Definitely for a colder temperature.
You're not
So
like,
it can be worn in Jamaica just at a chilly temperature. I like the pockets. And the pockets make the crotch part come out, so you know.
Yeah.
But there you go. Yeah, so that's the second one. Let's move on to the next. It's not like I didn't get a lot of stuff, I don't even remember how much something I get because the first time I pull the package, but let's see what else is in there. Okay.
So I can't
Ready?
come around with Christmas tree on your body still.
Ready?
How about this?
It's a dress, dress base, and this is over it. It's different.
Are we aware that go?
Me don't know.
I think I did one robe.
What is
Me like it. And I don't like it.
It's unique, yeah, but
It's a 2 for me.
Yeah.
this no one because when you are going wear this go, you can't go road in this side of me.
alright, my understand said it's a dress vibe, but all that look so. That look like a robe.
It's the dress style.
You don't like this.
The vision now come to me clearly.
So it can pull, it can what mouth?
Yeah. Let me. No.
If you hear that,
No,
people are
Crystal.
going to think.
One. Oh God. But
Mr. Shaw come on, I think I want a robe.
I love this. You
You
put this on
like
with some
it?
high
you
heels.
genuinely like it?
Yeah, that's how I'm gonna get it. The hell?
What? God bless her. What? Come to. Stop looking at the camera. Come to me now. Me I try see, but it nah come.
So it's
Right.
like
Tell me like down here so. Me like. I probably treat cash up. It's still
I'm not
not.
showing crush up. It's ugly.
Yeah, miss,
It was
I'm
right.
gonna bump it down
No,
from
no.
a 2 to a 1. I'm sorry.
No, I'm thinking if it probably was white. Me not see the vision more. Me don't know.
No man, it's ugly. Go
Why?
take it off.
It not ugly, but something now make me see clearly. The vision,
ugly.
I see down here, but I'm not seeing
The top is
The top.
too big. You wanted it to be more form
the
fitting.
top. Yeah, the top I give me. If the top is in this top up here, is giving me a robe vibes. You understand?
I get it. I know. I see what you're saying, but
yeah, a robe vibe.
It's just
It's like one dopey. If we wake up at night and see me run. Go and take it
yeah.
off.
Me done. I'm gonna put on the next outfit.
What actually?
This is just like a loose fitted
I like it.
white top, and then we have this Playboy tights. Another.
So we're
Tights.
rating them separate, right?
Yeah, you can.
Well, I love this. I love this.
Why?
Guys. I love it.
The tights. Yeah, the material feels
Nice.
good.
Love the Playboy thing. I love the Playboy.
So me can't feel the material too.
Nice. I love this. I really do. I love this. I give this a 10. I give this a 10.
Oh, thank
Give
you.
the shorts a 7, give the top a 10.
You're brighty.
She give me a nice clean shot.
Turn round. Your shorts nice and clean.
Yeah, but it's so basic too.
Man, you spoil it.
Why will you do this?
But
Why?
it's there for a reason.
It's just the style.
them intend to make for somebody wear it.
Nobody now go wear this, so
Man, not
Fix
go
back
with
your
the glass.
things. Yeah, because she not step on
nobody now. Look how she want me to wear it. Tell me if I don't
Me
eat
no want
that.
to
One-
wear
one
something
at a
just
time,
want to see how it look.
She fall away from it like make the girl shot.
Watch her now. She can't manage to zip down the thing.
Fast. You're fast. Next time don't fast with people things. It
That's
look
why it
good.
gets 7.
No, 10 it
They
get.
can't ever zip it up and zip it down and it
Guys,
work good.
yeah, this is this one. I love the material of this. It's like that silky kind of feel. I don't know really can pick it up on the camera there, but I love it. I feel like this hairstyle even goes well with this outfit. You could wear like a pair of black boots with this. You could definitely wear the top for a more formal type of occasion. And you could still wear it for a casual
can
occasion.
wear
It can be
some-
worn with a
it
nice
looks
pair of
edgy.
sneakers. Yes. I love that. The hair is giving me that boho vibe. So, let me know what you guys think about it. I give this a 10. That's why I bought it. So, how much you give, mommy?
10 and 20 me give it.
20. Alright, so 10, 10. How much you give it, Shami?
6 and 10.
I only have one more piece. I don't have any more clothes. I have a pair of shoes that I got. So, this is kind of like mini. Me know. But yeah, so like I have another piece like a bodysuit, but I don't think I have nothing to pair it with, so it go. I will probably show you guys, but I'm gonna go for the shoes and let you guys see it.
Make it a 9 just because it now no zip to make life look a bit easier.
Yeah, it's really hard to like put on. Like for right now, it's taking really long, so I just decided to go ahead and show you guys in my hand. It is my size, but like as I say, just to save on time, you know. This is it. I really like the style. Yeah, I feel like when they're making these boots, they should put a zip on it.
Yeah, said 10. Come like.
That's it for the final piece, guys. That's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's not really 5 pieces, like 10, but 4 outfits and 1 pair of shoes. I really hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. I know, sorry, but that's what it is for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumb up and leave your comments and suggestions down below as usual. And don't forget to check out PETITE-SUE TV for my Vlogmas series. Yes, guys, so that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just want to big up on yourself. Bye.